Nike ACG continues to refine its trail running lineup with the latest ACG Ultrafly Trail, and the black colorway puts function first with a clean, stealth-driven look. Developed through extensive real-world testing across multiple terrains, this updated version builds on the 2023 release with noticeable performance tweaks. The upper is now more breathable, designed to handle long runs while maintaining structure and protection. A redesigned Flyplate offers a smoother, more natural ride on uneven ground, while ZoomX cushioning remains underfoot for responsive comfort. Grip is handled by a Vibram outsole, built to deliver confidence on dirt, rocks, and wet surfaces. The shoe is slightly lighter than the original and features a lower stack height, keeping the same 8.5mm drop for stability. Visually, the black colorway highlights the seamless flow between the upper and midsole, giving the Ultrafly Trail a more unified and technical appearance. The Nike ACG Ultrafly Trail is expected to retail for $260.